You may know that psychological health and safety supports everybody's success at work, but how do you convince the powers that be when they're focused on critical issues like keeping the business afloat? Whether you're an HR professional, a consultant, or interested in health, wellness, or safety, you're going to find this interesting. Workplace strategies can help you make it easier for decision makers to say yes to psychological health and safety in the workplace. In this one-day workshop, I'll help you learn how to present your psychological health and safety solutions as business as usual rather than another program that employers have to implement. Canada Life is sponsoring these workshops in 2022 in cities across Canada. While space is very limited, if you're successful in registering for one of the workshops, there is absolutely no cost to you. But if you're not successful in registering for one of those workshops, we're going to be offering one virtually in September, so nobody will have to miss out. At this workshop, you'll receive tools and templates and lots of free resources to help you be successful. Remember that space is limited, so register now so that you're not disappointed. I can't wait to share this with you.